Does your Galaxy S20 not fast charging anymore? Don't worry about it, because as long as there is no physical or liquid damage, you can always make your phone fast charge again. There are just a few procedures you need to do to make sure everything is fine with your device. As you know, the charging process is only possible if the charger, cable and your phone are working properly. So in this video, I will show you how to fix Galaxy S20 not fast charging issue. To begin, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and tap Settings. On the search icon, type fast charging and tap the first results. Now, you can see 3 charging options. To enable the fast charging option, just simply tap the switch beside it. The same thing if you want to enable the super fast charging and the fast wireless charging. Just tap those 2 switches beside it. That's it. I hope that this simple tutorial has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.